Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Shaman Udyanga. So, I am going to talk about a very interesting topic today. The last week, I talked about another very interesting topic that is about human value system. Today, I am going to talk about this topic, another very interesting one that is about attitude. We all talk about attitudes every day. But if I question you about what an attitude is, only very few is able to give a right answer. So it is a buzzword that everyone talk about, but only very few know the meaning. Outcome of the lesson. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to describe what is an attitude. Number 2, you should be able to explain components of an attitude. Number 3, you should be able to explain the role of an attitude. Look at this picture. It's a glass of water. Could you explain me how do you see the glass? Answers will be different. Some people will see only the empty parts of the glass. Some other people will see only the full part of the glass. The person who see only the empty part is known as a pessimist. The person who talk about only the filled part is known as optimist. So look at this cartoon. Right. Then who is correct? Is the glass half empty or half filled? Or whether the idea of the pessimist is correct or the idea of the optimist is correct. So the right answer is both are wrong, because the pessimist see only the empty part and the optimist see only the filled part. But the truth is that glass is half filled and half empty. Then for an example, when you are going to recruit employees for your organization, what are the qualifications you look for? So answer is you are looking for knowledge, skills and attitudes. Then what is the most important thing? Is that knowledge or the skills or the attitudes? So first shall we see what is knowledge? Knowledge is the understanding of facts related with the job. So it is very easy to acquire the knowledge. Skills, ability to apply the knowledge to perform a task. So if you continuously perform the job, you can easily acquire the knowledge. But the third component, attitudes. Attitudes are the tendency to behave in a particular way. But it is very difficult to change the attitudes of the people within a short period of time. So the most important thing out of these three is the attitude. Look at this slide. It explains work is as a way to life. So it is a negative attitude about the work. If the work is a way to life, and if there is another way to life, we will not work. Look at this picture. These are the group of Sri Lankan employees waiting at the place where the fingerprint is placed for the leaving the work. A negative attitude. Look at this cartoon. It also explain the negative attitudes of the work. Look at this cartoon. It explains another aspect of a workplace, a negative attitude. The boss question, why aren't you working? Then the employee answer, I didn't see you coming, So employee is not working because the supervisor was not available. It's a very negative attitude about the work. The second aspect of the work, the way you see the work is as a way of life. It's a positive attitude. Work is a way of life. So if someone born to the world, he or she should work. Look at this picture. A policeman is controlling the traffic in the heavy water, and it is said the best remedy for all the miseries and maladies that humankind ever beset is work. Look at this diagram, this picture. What is wrong with the worker? The worker was placing the white stripe along the road, but at one particular place it has been curved. What is the reason? There is a fallen piece of wood. So employee did not remove the wood and mark the white tape. What was missing with him? Is that the knowledge or the skills or the attitude? What special knowledge is required to remove this branch? No special knowledge is required. What is the skill required? No special skill is required. Then why didn't he remove it? Because he had negative attitude about the work. What is the attitude he had? He believed that this is not my job. Therefore he did not remove the branch, and therefore it is said negative attitude is the biggest disability. Then what is an attitude? Attitude definition: the lasting feelings, beliefs and behavioral tendencies towards various aspects of work settings or people in them. So according to this definition, there are three main components of attitudes, that is feelings, beliefs and behavioral tendencies. So these three components are explained in this diagram. The first, feelings, is known as affective component. Second, the beliefs are known as cognitive component. Number three, behavioral tendency is known as cognitive component. Then when we take all about these feelings, beliefs and behavioral tendencies together, we call it attitude. But attitude is behavioral tendency but not the behavior. The difference should be understood. The behavioral tendency is there, if the employees do not perform the work accordingly, it won't be an attitude, behavior. So the relationship between attitude and behavior is explained here.